Hey, we was just out driving around. We caught this guy crop dusting. We thought it was pretty cool. Let's see if we can. Oh, he's gonna dust us. Alright, everybody hold your breath. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's something unless you go to an air show. He's just all over the place. Right, now he's coming back. And the guy up by us using a helicopter to crop dust. He's probably up there cussing us. These idiots. I'm breathing so many chemicals in at work, I don't think this shit's gonna hurt me. It's so sunny I can't see if he's even on my screen. Wow.
I don't think I have to worry about the mosquitoes in the park anymore. That car's running out.
Yeah, trying to get Kev to find out where, drive me over here to a field. Seen him off in the distance. Didn't know where he was. He just ran.
There he is, come back.
Where? Oh.
Now he's going the other way. Man, he gets in the cornfield, doesn't he? Doing that field too, look.
Alright, you ingest enough
DDT 4.
Alright, well, we just thought that'd be cool. Nice little catch. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Never know what kind of crazy stuff we'll find. We're here at Garby Big Woods Sanctuary. Oh, this place is a mosquito pit. Trying out our new dragonfly thing guy here on my hat. There we go. Something tells me he's not going. We'll try him. See if he chases the skeeters away from my head. Alright, later crop duster. Later guys, thanks for watching.